Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the object that will carry the link. Click the text box or shape and make sure it's visible and unlocked in the Layers panel. Once selected, double-click text to choose the exact words you want clickable or leave the whole frame for a shape link. This avoids linking the wrong element. Make sure you're in design mode, not prototype, because you need the object identified before adding the interaction in the next step. Now move to the prototype panel and add an interaction. Click the little plus beside interaction, choose on click, then pick Open Link from the action list. Paste the full URL, include HTTP or HTTPS, so Figma resolves it correctly. You can also choose to open in the same tab or a new tab depending on your share needs. Once done, preview with present to verify the link works. This confirms both the finish by testing and sharing. Click present to run the prototype and click your linked element to confirm it opens the URL. If it fails, reopen prototype, repaste the URL making sure it includes HTTP or HTTPS and that no invisible layer sits above the element. Also make sure your prototype permissions allow viewers to open external links. If viewers still can't open the link, export a quick screen recording of the issue and check network or browser pop-up settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.